And fight for the faith to the last and to love even those who we do it so that one day a navy worthy of the Lord and my country.
Today I am project 4, and the 4th is every program has an interface of the system. If you do not have any program, you do not get any fees. If Hindi में हर समस्या में उसके अपने समाधान का बीज होता है. अगर आपको कोई समस्या नहीं है तो आपको कोई बीज नहीं मिलेगा.
Accept the situation and move on. This I would like. And the first part is Sanskrit is considered as the mother of all other languages in the world. And the second part is India has the maximum number of and the second fact is that India has the maximum numbers of post office in the world. And the third fact is India has the largest number of news channels in the world. And the fourth fact is India is the second English speaking nation in the world. And the fifth and last fact is India has the second largest pool of IT engineers in the world. Thank you very much. The third question is Kanpur National Park is located in which state?
Haryana.
In Kanpur. And the answer is correct, Haryana. And the fourth question is Kaziranga National Park is located in which state?
Assam.
The answer is correct, Assam. And the fifth question is Periyar National Park is located in which state? And the answer is correct, Kerala. Thank you.
My name is Suraj Mundai in class 4. Today I will tell the table of 17. 17 1 is 70, 72 is 34, 73 is 50, 74 is 68, 75 is 85, 76 is 102, 77 is 190, 17 is 153, 33, 17 is 153, 17 is 102. Thank you.
Hello everyone. I am Suraj from class 12. Today I am going to correct the words which are pronounced wrongly during the assembly. TH, OU, GHT,
Hot.
Now I am going to ask something.